Don't miss any details of this recipe, we're sure you'll love it. We start this recipe with 5 chicken thighs. Make a few parallel cuts on them. Next, in a pan, add sunflower oil to taste. Add the chicken thighs and let them fry until golden. Flip them to brown on all sides. At this point, add 300 milliliters of hot water. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of mixed herbs and some dried parsley. Stir, making sure the thighs are well coated with the seasonings. Cover and cook for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, chop an onion. Then chop a carrot as well. Now prepare another pan, this time with olive oil to taste. Add the onion and let it fry. Add the carrot, stir and cook for just a minute. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves and wait for them to brown. At this point, add 2 tablespoons of flour, stir and let it fry for another minute. Now add 300 grams of tomato sauce. Let it cook for 2 minutes, stirring throughout the process. This looks great, let's transfer the sauce to the chicken. Stir well to make sure everything is well combined. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now grab another pan and add a tablespoon of butter. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Now pour in 100 milliliters of white wine to flavor our dish. Deglaze the pan and add a touch of lightness. Let it cook for 2 minutes. This is looking good, let's go back to the chicken and add the wine. Cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Finish with chopped green onions to taste. And here it is, our chicken with white wine, a dish that brings sophistication to your table with an elegant touch. Each step, from carefully preparing the thighs to adding the wine, contributes to a result that makes every minute spent worth it. The white wine not only adds flavor but also elevates the taste to another level, leaving the dish with a lightness and balance that will delight your taste buds. The process may be a bit time-consuming, but the flavor and final presentation make it all worthwhile. If you enjoyed this special recipe, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily recipes we bring to you. Let us know in the comments what you think and what other recipes you'd like to see here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.